Let's eat! Magtatagalog na lang ako. Pero kinamay ko na guys ha. Guys, I'm meal prepping bibimbap at ganito ako mag-meal prep ng bibimbap. This is the finished product, but I'm gonna show you how I make it. First, the rice. Gotta make it nice. Put it in the middle. Perfect Rice by Tiger Rice Cooker. Okay, now that I use brown rice, by the way, that's my dog. And then after that, there's grains, so we're gonna put some. I stir fried some ground beef. There you go. And then, you know what? I'll put this aside. See, even my dog wants it. And then I put some, to make the broccoli good, I put sesame oil. Okay. So I just bake the broccoli in the oven. And then I stir fried this mushrooms, and I put a bunch of adobo seasoning, or you can put garlic salt, whatever you want. I also stir fried this cabbage, but you know what, I think sometimes you can just magtatagalog na lang ako. Pwede mo nang ano siya, basahin mo na lang, hindi, lagyan mo lang ng mainit na tubig ito para okay na. Boom, kabang, diba? Tapos ayan na yung cabbage. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang kimchi. There you go. Kimchi, guys. Ako, alam ko may ginagawang sauce, pero pagod na ako. Ang dami kong niluto. So, lalagyan ko na lang ng kutsudang sa gilid. Yan, guys. And the finishing touches, of course, the egg. Kinamay ko na, guys, ha. Huwag na tayong mag-art yan. So, here's the bibimbap. Let's eat!